everyone. Here I'm telling you how we make a navigation bar, carousel or cards using any framework. We will do it with HTML and CSS, but it is very difficult to code and it takes much time. So here I am using a framework which make our task very easier. So for making this, you have to make a folder where you want to save your project. I just name with bootstrap. Else I'm using a framework naming bootstrap. Make a text document with index HTML. Now open your text editor, as I used Visual Studio Code, and open your file with the text editor. And save as with the index.html. Right, so here it's a HTML file. Now I give you introduction about the framework which I used. Its name is Bootstrap. Simply Google it, the Bootstrap. Here click on documentation. A full documentation would be given about this framework. You can read here about the framework. Now for using the Bootstrap, we have to link 4 files. The one is bootstrap.min.css and 3 JavaScript files as jQuery file and proper min.js and the bootstrap min.js. You can copy the link from here or you can download from the cdn.js. So here I am using I copy the code for starting the template. Here the full code is given here. I copied this and simply paste it here. Now all the files we have to link here, CSS file and the jQuery files already linked. Now for the navigation bar, what we have to do, go in the documentation, introduction, download, contents, everything would be given here. You have to go in the components, and in the components many components are given here. What is there, a predefined code is given and just simply we have to use and paste into our code. Navigation bar, different types of navigation are given here. Just I want to use this type of navigation, simply copy the code and paste it here. Now see the output of this code. As we see the output, and this is the navigation bar is coming. Now if we want to change the color would be changed from here. Also here a navigation, many types of navigation bar is given, and color navigation is also here. As if we want this type of navigation, then simply copy this and replace. Now check the color of the navigation bar will be changed. See, the color of the navigation bar is changed. And if you want the navigation bar would be fixed at the top position, so for that it's also available for the fixed position. What we have to do, simply copy this fixed top or paste it into your code right here. Now navigation bar is fixed at the top position. I can see you later. Now for the colors, if you want to choose many more colors, so you can go here these and the colors. There are many colors given here and many type of things are here. You can choose any of this color, simply use this and paste it there. Now for the carousel, what we have to do, in go for carousel. Many types of carousels are there. As I want to use this page carousel, then what we have to do, copy the code simply and paste it after the navigation bar is finished. Yes. Now for the carousel, we have to see the images. So first I copy the images from here to the folder and simply for initializing this we have to use a JavaScript function which is also given here. Simply copy this JavaScript function and paste it into a code with the script tag. Now check the output. A cursor is coming here. Now if we want to use the cards, then what we have to do, make a class with cards. Give height according to your page. For seeing that if it's present or not, I will give a border 2 pixel solid. See the output. Here a div is come. Now for the card, what we have to do, make a class container. For the cards, see the card. You want to use any type of card. For example, I want to use this. So what we have to do, I copy this code and simply paste it here as I want 3. Now as for the image, simply give the address of the image. See the output. The cards will come in the vertical position. So for setting it horizontal, simply give the property display flags in the container class. Now you can see cards will come. but the margin would be very less. So for the margin, what we have to done, and you can see the height of the cards would be more than the height of the div. So first increase the height of the div. We have done it 70%. Right, now the content of the div would be come in the center. Now for the margin, simply see the class of the cards. As we can see here, the class of the cards is card. Now for the margin, just give the property of the margin in the card class. I say 33%. Now you can see here, right, you can remove the border of the div. If you want to change the background color or anything, any CSS property, you can use here. Here I'm telling how within some minutes we can do this type of work using predefined code, using a framework, and more works I will tell you in the next videos. So thank you for watching. You can apply many more things using this framework. Alerts, badges, a predefined code is given here. You can use according to you and change by giving the properties. If you want to giving any other property and change